In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe audio using Google Docs. This is a simple and efficient method to convert your spoken words or recorded audio into text, making it especially valuable for those who need quick transcription for meetings, interviews, or personal notes. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, start by opening Google Docs. You can do this by navigating to docs.google.com in your web browser. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign in to your Google account. This is essential because Google Docs operates within the Google ecosystem, and having your account signed in enables you to access and save your documents seamlessly. Once you're signed in, you'll see the Google Docs homepage. Look for the button that says plus blank. Click on this and a new document will open, providing a blank canvas for your transcription work. Now that you've set up a new document in Google Docs, the next step is to turn on the voice typing feature. At the top of your screen, you'll find a menu bar. Click on Tools, and from the drop-down menu, select Voice Typing. Almost instantly, you'll notice a microphone icon appearing on the left side of your document. This small but significant icon is your key to converting audio to text effortlessly. Before you start recording, let's make sure everything is ready for a smooth transcription process. It's important to ensure that your computer's microphone is working properly. You can do this by checking your system's audio settings or doing a quick test with another voice or audio just to be sure your microphone picks it up clearly. Once you're confident your microphone is functioning, set up your audio source. Whether it's a phone, a digital recorder, or a speaker, place it close to your computer's microphone. This helps in capturing the audio clearly. Also, try to conduct this process in a quiet environment, as background noise can interfere with the transcription accuracy. With everything set up, you're ready to start the transcription. Click on the microphone icon and you'll see it turn red. This indicates that voice typing is now actively listening and ready for action. Go ahead and play your audio source. You'll see Google Docs start typing out the words it hears. It's fascinating to watch your spoken words transform into written text in real time. When you're finished playing the audio, or if you need to stop temporarily, simply click the microphone icon again to stop the transcription process. And that's it! You've learned how to quickly and easily transcribe audio using Google Docs. This method offers a great way to capture spoken content into text form, streamlining your workflow and saving time. Thank you for joining me today, and happy transcribing.